Hello students, today I am going to explain poem Travel by Edna St. Vincent Millay. Before I start this poem, let's know about the Edna St. Vincent Millay, means about the poet. She was amongst the most famous and successful poets in America. She won the Pulitzer Prize for her poetry. Her work affected both traditional and modern elements of poetry. Student, this poem is about a deep longing to travel and a desire to go out and see the world. When the speaker wants to travel and she has a deep desire to go out and see the world. Let's start this poem. This is a short poem of 3 stanzas consisting 4 lines in each stanza. Let's start the first stanza. The railroad track is miles away, and the day is loud with voices speaking. Yet there isn't train goes by all day, but I hear its whistle shrieking. Speaker is saying that the railroad track is miles away. Means the railroad track is miles from the place where she lives. It is not too near, it's a far away, it's a miles away. The day is loud with the voices speaking, and the day is loud with voices speaking means the loud chatter of people. The loud chatter of people fills the daytime. Means the day is full. The day is filled with the loud chatter of the people who lives around her. Yet there isn't a train goes by all day, but I hear its whistle shrieking. Now, speaker is saying that it there nothing goes the train all the time. Means it's not a railway station. Student, it's given there railroad track. It's not a station, and all there's not going train all the time. Okay, but she can hear the shrieking whistle of the train. Shrieking means making a loud high pitched cry. The train is not going by there all the time, but and the track is miles away from her house, but she is able to hear the whistle shrieking of the train. Why? Because it means, students, she always imagine about the train. Why? Because she want to travel. She has a deep longing to travel and a desire to go out and see the world. That's why she is always thinking about the train, and that's why she are able to listen the whistle shrieking of train. Students see here the speaker can hear the two voices, the loud voices about the people, and the whistle shrieking of the train. Next paragraph. Sorry, next stanza. All night there isn't a train goes by, though the night is still for sleep and dreaming. But I see its cinders red on the sky and hear its engine steaming. Now in second stanza, speaker is talking about the night. In first stanza, speaker is talking about the daytime, and now in second stanza, the speaker is talking about the night time. And she's saying all night there isn't a train goes by. In the same way, at the means when the train is not going in the daytime all the time, in the same way the train is not going at night time also at all the time. And she's saying that the night is for the sleeping and dreaming. The speaker says that the night is meant for sleep and dreaming. However, instead of sleeping, she is thinking about what it would feel like to get away on a train. Means she's saying, she's knowing the night is for sleeping and dreaming, but now still she's thinking about the train, about the travel, because she has a deep desire to travel and see the world. But I see it cinders red on the sky. Cinders red on the sky means the cinder means small pieces of partly burnt wood or coal. and cinder and red on the sky means the cinders glow red as they burn. Students in night also she can see the cinders glow red as they burn means she can see the cinders and hear the engine steaming, and she is able to hear the engine steaming. But students, she was miles away from the track. She can't hear too clearly, but she's imagining. See all the things that she's listening the whistle, and she's seeing the cinders and hear the engine steaming. All these she is imagine only because she has a deep desire. She want to move from there. She want to go and visit the world. Want to meet different people. She want to gain different experience. That's why she is in night also. She was thinking about the train and travel she has lost in her imagination. My heart is warm with the friends I make, and better friends I'll not be knowing. Yet there isn't a train I wouldn't take, no matter where it's going. My heart is warm with the friends I make, student. The speaker seems to have a affection for the people in her life. Means the people who have in her present life, means in the present time, she has a warm affection with them. But they seem to make her happy. By this line we can understand. But yet, despite this, she wants to get to know other people and have new experience and make new friends. In the second line, student, she is told the better friends means the person to whom she want to meet when she travel. She want to go and travel the world and want to get new experience and want to meet people and want to make them friends. And she thinks that the people to whom she will meet when she travel are better than the person or than the friends who are in the present time. Yet there isn't a train I wouldn't take. And she's saying in the next line that she's knowing that there isn't a train and she will not go anywhere. There isn't a train that she will there isn't a train that she will take, no matter where it's going. But in last line she is saying that she want to take a train no matter which train is and where the train is going. She want to take in the train and want to just travel and visit new places, just want to meet different people, want to make friends. It doesn't matter for her that the where the train is going. She only want to get in the trains and travel because she has a deep desire and deep longing to travel and to see the world. That's why it doesn't matter which train is and where, what is the destination of the train, where the train is going. It doesn't matter to her. She only want to get in the train. It means a student, maybe she is not happy with her present life and she want to move from that life, and she want to go from any other places and want to experience new things, all these things. Now this poem is over, student. I hope you all have understood.